An ideal enclosure for an individual budgie is 18 by 18 by 18 inches. When housing two budgies together, the enclosure should measure 13 by 18 by 18 inches. The bars should be spaced 1/2 inch apart or smaller. The bottom of the cage should be lined with paper for daily cleaning. The droppings should be monitored for signs of illnesses. Several different types of bedding can be used that are inexpensive and easily accessible, including newspaper, paper towels, plain paper, paging brown paper bags, butcher paper. If you found this video useful, give these budgies a big like. Thank you.